Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. My name is Vipin Mishra. I'm the lead mentor at IMS Gate Academy and I welcome you all in this video in which I'm going to tell you that how you should actually prepare any subject if you are preparing for GATE exam. Just see, if I talk about the GATE syllabus, we have almost 12 plus subjects, isn't it? 11, 12 subjects are there. In some branches, we have even more subjects. So GATE is a very long journey, isn't it? GATE exams happens every Feb of any year, okay? In the month of February, every year the GATE exam happens. So in between two GATE exam, we almost have 1 year of time. So GATE exam is a very long journey, isn't it? Now, if you want to conquer that particular exam, if you want to have a good journey, just see, you have to just take one by one each step, and those steps should be absolutely correct, absolutely fine. So how you will be taking each and every step? Just by covering each and every subject that you have in your syllabus. So you will be preparing one by one all the subjects, and that's how you will be reaching to your final goal by completing the syllabus, then appearing into the mock test, and then finally giving the final GATE exam, isn't it? So the first step is preparation of each and every subject. So again, the question arises that exactly how we should prepare each and every subject, how you should take the first step and then keep on taking those steps for every subject and finally reaching to our main goal. So in this video, I am going to reveal the same thing. I am going to tell you that how you should practice, how you should prepare each and every subject, how to take that each step in best possible manner so that ultimate journey, ultimate goal can be achieved. So let me reveal the strategy, and it's a 5-step process. This is how you should prepare any subject. So what we should do, do in step number 1, just see. So step number 1, first of all, you should understand what is the syllabus, and you should also understand what I should cover in that syllabus and what I should not. Means it is very important to eliminate what is not important for the competition point of view of that particular subject. Any subject is like an ocean, and from that ocean you don't have to cover the whole ocean. You only have to take that particular part, that particular amount of water from the ocean which is important for you, which is necessary for you. So first of all, you should be able to understand what is important for this exam and what I should eliminate. So if you are a third year or final year student, or if you have already given the GATE exam, you are in a better position to understand this about any subject. If you belong to second year and you are aiming for GATE exam, then it might be difficult for you because you have not covered most of the subject. So if you have already gone through the subject in your semesters, or you are preparing for GATE exam, or you have already prepared for GATE exam, you are the better person to know about this. So first of all, the important thing is that we should understand the syllabus and we should eliminate those parts which are not important, and we should not waste our time. Now once you have understood this particular thing, then you have to prepare the good quality content specifically oriented to the GATE syllabus. You should not be covering anything. You should cover the content related to the GATE syllabus. So if you are a student of any coaching institute, you will be getting proper content, isn't it? You will be getting a proper content in the class, will be delivered by the faculty. But if suppose you are preparing from your own, then you should always be preparing from good quality, standard quality books, and taking the syllabus always in your mind. You should prepare the good quality content from good quality coaching institutes where faculty will be delivering you. In this way, your this particular part will become very easy. Or otherwise, if you are preparing from your own side, then you should always prepare from the standard books. You should always practice the questions of the standard books, and taking in your mind that what is not necessary for the exam, I should not be covering that. So first of all, I'll understand the subject and prepare good quality content and notes of the subject as well. Now when you are preparing for the subject first time, this is how you should do, okay? In step number 2, what you should do, if you have suppose understood the step number 1 process, then in step number 2, you have to prepare notes such that every topic you are covering, and that every particular topic, if it has given a gate question, you should be having that particular gate question the part of your note. So whatever topic you have covered related to that topic, if suppose ever there has been a gate question asked in the exam, you should cover that particular question right after the topic, and this should be the part of your notes. Okay, so in this way you should be preparing your notes. Concept followed by PYQs, followed by some good quality of questions. Okay, then keep highlighting the important points and write the keynotes. You are preparing the content, you are preparing the concept, you are preparing the PYQ. While doing all those things, you must be getting something, isn't it? You must be getting in your mind that this particular part of this concept is very important, and I am using this particular technique to solve this PYQ. So that should be a key pointer that should be included in your notes. Okay, so this is how in step number 2 you will be preparing your notes. In step number 1 we have decided that what actually we should cover, from where we have to cover. In step number 2 we have decided, after getting the knowledge of the syllabus, what to study, what to not, we are preparing good quality of notes which are including concepts, key pointers and PYQs and some good quality of questions. Then if you have done all those things, in step number 3 what you have to do, do not leave any PYQ. Do not leave any PYQ from last 15 years. Okay, from 2010 to 2024, whatever PYQ was the part of GATE exam, you should not leave any PYQ. GATE has a legacy of 34 years. And what we are seeing, that now GATE authorities, they are not giving so many new questions. What they are doing, somehow they are just changing the old PYQs, and just how they are just manipulating the data of that, manipulating the points related to that, and again putting the same question into the next year of exam. So in this way, if you will prepare PYQs of last 15 days carefully, you will be very well prepared for the GATE exam. Almost 50 to 60% of the exam will be like that you will be very much comfortable into that part because you have practiced PYQs. Sometimes I have seen students, those who have already prepared PYQs for the last 2 months, and they are doing very good in the exam. With the help of PYQs only, they are getting a good score in the exam. So this is a very must step that you should do. You should follow in step number 3. Then after that, after preparing PYQs, try to solve some unseen questions. Try to solve some unseen questions, not too tough questions, some questions which are easy to moderate level. Okay, so prepare PYQs of GATE. Then what you can do, you can take the help of those questions which were the part of some other exam. For example, engineering services prelims questions will be very helpful for you. Okay, so those questions will be easy to moderate level of question. Those questions can help you in preparing for GATE exam as well. So during the first time when you are doing the subject, you should prepare only easy to moderate level of question. Do not go for very tough questions, but prepare all the PYQs. This is what you should do in step number 3. Then step number 4, after the completion of subject, once you have done the subject, you have prepared the notes, you have practiced the PYQs, you have practiced some unseen questions, then allocate some time for you. This time might be 1 week or 10 days. Depends upon the weightage of the subject, how many marks it is contributing, and how many days you think that actually require for the revision. So just after the completion of the subject, allocate that particular duration of time and revise the subject, and that will be called as revision number 1. Okay, so you will be revising the subject. Once you have done the revision, attempt the subject test and take the feedback. Just see your progress of the subject, how much you are scoring right now, and analyze each and every question and just see what are the positive and what are the negative points you are having in your preparation of this subject. So take the feedback of each and every question, analyze your mistakes and silly mistakes that you were doing. If you are not able to solve a particular question, just do the postmortem of it, that why I was not able to do that particular question, where I am lagging right now. So just do that particular analysis, prepare a feedback sheet, and this is how you should be acting in step number 4. Now after that, what you should do, just keep the subject, just fold the notes and keep the subject into a side and just apply step number 1 to step number 4 in some other subjects. Okay, then after some times, that time duration might be 20 days or 30 days. So after some time, again pick the same subject in step number 5. Okay, and what you will be doing, you have given the subject test of that particular subject, you have taken the feedback, now you will be revising for the subject for the second time, and this revision should take half the time you have invested in revision number 1, and now work upon the feedback that you have taken during the subject test of step number 4. When you have given first time the subject test, after revising the subject for first time, work upon those feedback in revision number 2. Okay, and invest half the time which you have taken while revision number 1, and again work on the feedback, and you should be doing this particular thing 1 or 2 months later, means after following step number 1 to 4, give the test and put the subject aside by after taking feedback, then again pick the same subject after 1 or 2 months. Okay, and then just do the revision 2 by investing half the time which you have invested during this particular tenure, and work upon the feedback. Try PYQs and unseen difficult question. Now this is the time where earlier you have realized these questions were difficult, you have ignored those questions. Now this is a time to just practice those difficult questions as well. Okay, because right now you have become an expert of this subject, because you are revising this subject for the second time, so slowly this expertise will come. When you follow step number 1 to 4, you will get 50 to 60% hold of the subject, but when you will be revising for the subject for the second time, you will get almost 70 to 80% hold on that particular subject. Okay, so now you can practice some difficult question as well, and again after doing the revision 2, just practice a subject test, just practice a subject test and give the subject test, again do the analysis. Okay, again do the analysis. If suppose you are performing well right now, that's absolutely okay. If suppose your score is not good, then you have to repeat step number 5 again after 15-20 days or after 1 month, and that should be called as revision number 3. So if you are performing good in revision number 2, no revision 3 is required. If suppose you are not performing good in revision number 2, after 1 month or after 15-20 days, you should plan for revision 3 again. Okay, so that is a step that depends upon every student, whether he is performing good in this step number 5 or not. If you are performing good in step number 5, you do not require any revision 3. If not, then just follow the step, just repeat the step number 5 again after 15-20 days or 1 month. Okay, now coming back, if suppose you are doing good in step number 5, getting good score, then again just fold your notes and keep them aside. Then after again some days, okay, that duration might be very close to the exam. Okay, maybe in the month of January, just do the quick revision followed by mock test. Okay, just keep on doing the quick revisions followed by mock test. Between 2 mock tests, you can just allocate a duration of 10 days, 12 days, and on each day you will be revising one subject. So revise the subject, do the quick revision followed by mock test, again do the quick revision followed by mock test. This is how you will be revising the subject many times. Okay, and you are giving mock test, so that's how you are inching closer and closer and closer to the actual gate environment, and you are getting a feedback as well that how am I performing when I am giving a full length test. So you can work upon those feedback during the quick revision as well. So guys, this is the strategy that you should adopt. So these are the steps. So step number 1, understand the syllabus, eliminate the unnecessary part. Okay, prepare good quality content, either from good quality, either from the good faculty notes or from good standard books. Step number 2, prepare notes followed by PYQ of the related particular topic. Okay, and keep on highlighting the important points and preparing the keynotes. In step number 3, you have to prepare all the PYQs of 2010 to 2024. You cannot leave any PYQ. and try to solve unseen questions of easy to moderate level. In step number 4, you will be doing the revision and giving the test, taking the feedback. Okay, these 4 steps you have to follow for the first time. Step number 5 you have to follow. After following the step number, when you have done till the step number 4, take a gap of 1 month, follow the step number 5. If you are doing good in step number 5, that's absolutely fine. This will be revision number 2. If you are not doing good in step number 5, just plan for the revision 3 after 1 month again. Okay, if suppose step number 5 you are performing well, and if you are a serious candidate, you will definitely perform well up till the step number 5. And then at the end, when the exam is inching closer, the month is January, you should plan for quick revision followed by mock test, quick revision, mock test, quick revision, mock test. Okay, and this is how you can excel your preparation in any subject. So this is actually how you should prepare any subject. If you will follow this strategy, you will become master of that subject. You will get an expertise of that particular subject. And what is GATE? GATE exam has almost 10 to 12 subjects. Becoming master in each and every subject. This is how you are inching closer to becoming a topper in GATE exam as well. Okay, so one by one, if you will master every subject, this is how you will reach closer to the ultimate target of yours, which definitely might be getting a good rank, getting AIR 100 in GATE exam, under AIR 100. Okay, so master one by one each and every subject, and this is how finally you will be very well prepared for the final exam. Okay, so this is the strategy. I hope you people like this strategy. And also I would like to give you some very important information. I was talking about good quality content, isn't it? I was talking about test series. I was talking about test. I was talking about easy, moderate and unseen difficult level of question, isn't it? Everything you will get from us. Okay, you can have all those things from us. So we are coming with this good initiative, which is Test Series Plus, in which we are offering you 130 plus online test. We are giving you 33 years of GATE PYQs, so you do not have to put any extra effort while preparing PYQs. Everything is present here. Okay, and we have a separate maths and general aptitude books. So this is a very important section, and we are focusing more upon it. Okay, so just see, and we are also giving you 130 online tests. So I was talking about you should give subject test during revision 1, then again you have to give subject test during revision 2 and mock test. So we are having subject test, advanced subject test, multi-subject test and mock test. 130 online tests are available. Okay, we are giving you dot solving portal, and in order to have quick revision, isn't it? I was talking about quick revision, so that you can have with us, we are offering you score booster series as well. And once you will do good in GATE exam, post GATE guidance and PSU mock interview sessions are also available with us. Okay, and this is something that we are offering in this small price. Okay, if suppose you will pay this price, you will get everything. Okay, 34 years GATE PYQ book, 130 plus online test, doubt solving portal, online revision and score booster, post guidance, PSU and mock interview price, PSU and mock interview as well. Okay, you can also get this package in this amount as well. Okay, this small amount as well, but in this amount you will not be getting any mock interview guidance. Okay, you will be not getting the GATE PYQ book, so it's completely your wish. Then guys, just follow our Telegram channel through the link given in the description box, so that all this quality information you will be getting on time. You will be getting the quiz related to GATE activity. Okay, you will be getting the PSU and job notification time by time whenever these PSUs are releasing their notifications. So join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box. And if you really like the teaching and learning methodologies of IMS Gate Academy, you can join us through our live online program. We are offering you 800 plus hours of live interaction. We are giving you theory book from where you can prepare good quality content. Okay, so here the faculty will be teaching you and you will be getting good quality content. So step number 1 will be done here. Step number 2 will be done through the help of exercise book and theory book. Step number 3, preparing PYQs, will be done through our GQB book. And just see, so step number 1, 2, 3, 4 you will be able to get through the content that we are giving you. Okay, so whatever I have strategized, you will be getting in step number from step number 1 to 4 through the material and the learning and the teaching that we are offering. So you don't have to put any effort. We are here and we will be doing everything with you. Okay. GATE is a very long journey, so you need some motivation, you need some personalized strategy as well that you can have with us through the personal discussion with each and every teacher, through the personalized mentorship session, and as I talk about online test series. So tests are very important. We are offering you 130 plus online test as well. So book a counseling session through the link given in the description box and enjoy the features of IMS Gate Academy. So I hope that you really like this video and you are going to follow this strategy how to prepare any subject, and this is going to help you in your preparation journey as well. Thank you so much. And one last thing, do not forget to subscribe the channel, okay, and share this video with all your friends, and do not forget to like it as well. So this is the last message that I wanted to give you. Thank you so much.